towards the stage. Careful, please. Oh, careful. You're a Korean girl. How are you? Kamusta ka?
Mula.
I'm good.
Okay, please face everyone. Okay. What is your name?
I'm Julian Cassandra Panopio Leanya. What's your name po?
My name is DJ Lindsay of 106.7 Energy FM. How old are you?
I'm 6.
Okay, you are 6 years old. You are in a Korean attire, a Korean costume. Why so?
Because I'm gonna sing Mulan.
Oh, so Mulan is not... Is Mulan Korean? No, Japanese. Oh, my bad. So this is Japanese because you're portraying Mulan.
It's Chinese.
A Chinese. Si Judge number 1. She was like agreed to whatever I say. So Mulan is Chinese. Good to know. That's one trivia for us. Okay, you do good. You do great because Mulan is going to be proud of you. You have to do this right, okay?
Okay.
Do you have anyone with you?
Daddy.
Daddy. Okay. All right. So do this for Daddy. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Please all welcome. This is number 90, Mulan. Oh, just kidding. Number 90. Good luck.
Never pass for a perfect life or a perfect storm. What can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've
Thank you very much, Mulan. Thank you for sharing your talent with us. That was number 90, judges, 90. We now go to male number 81. Male number 81.